I address you, Daniel Garwe, and the others pushing for the 2030 agenda, purportedly seeking extension of presidential terms beyond constitutional limits. It is critical to recognize that governance in Zimbabwe is guided by the constitution, which explicitly outlines term limits for the president. Sarabina mashoko tsampanyuru kwa kuna Daniel Garwe and those advocating for the 2030 agenda. Not to subscribe or like on the bell icon. It has been observed that certain behaviors may indicate underlying issues. Thus, I humbly suggest that individuals exhibiting unconventional patterns consider seeking professional evaluation. For Daniel Garwe, I recommend consultations with a psychiatrist to ensure mental fitness and clarity of thought, as perceptions and decision-making can be influenced by one's mental health. Recently, at the Central Committee and a meeting with war veterans, President Mnangagwa directed the party to prepare for 2028 elections aligning with constitutional provisions. It appears discordant when advocacy for term extension via the 2030 agenda contradicts the president's stated position and constitutional stipulations, particularly Section 91 and 328 of Zimbabwe's constitution regarding term limits. Let it be clear, ZANU-PF is not Zimbabwe. The people of Zimbabwe alone, with a significant majority with the ZANU-PF itself, are not supportive of efforts pushing for term extension. Contrary to constitutional mandates, the populace and the party members are guided by the constitution, which delineates clear term limits for presidential tenure. I implore you, Daniel Garwe, and like-minded individuals to align with Zimbabwe's constitution and respect the rule of law. The 2030 agenda, as perceived by many, represents a pursuit not reflective of the broader will of Zimbabweans or constitutional governance principles. Please spare us divisive rhetoric and be guided accordingly by Zimbabwe's supreme law issued by Gifford Gomwe. Ndomasho kwantagwa na Gifford Gomwe panguva ine achiudzana Daniel Garwe kuti zvamuri kuita izvi aiwa mirai tingatokuendai sai kuma-psychiatrist nokuti zvotaurwa nemutungamiri wenyika kuti ngati prepare for ma-2020 elections nezvamuri kutaura zve-2030 zviri kusiyana. Utterances enyu ari based on what? Pena comment section medu mutidze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.